everyone, welcome to sKitchen, and if you have been looking for an easy bhajia recipe, you are in the right place. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, let's begin by washing our potatoes. Let's peel our potatoes. Now let's prepare our paste for our bhajia. Wheat flour, a pinch of salt, okay, ginger, great ginger, mix. Add my coriander leaf, that is dania. Cut our dania. Mix your dania. Put your dania there. Continue mixing. Hot enough. Now let's put our bhajia. Where are you watching this from? Please let me know in the comment section. Tell me, where are you watching this from? And if you are enjoying my recipe, please subscribe, like, okay? I'll be very happy. Don't worry about my pan. But the outcome will be nice and and I hope you will enjoy. Turn your bhajias slowly, slowly, slowly. I hope you see the way they are turning to golden brown. Can't wait to eat this one. Look my bhajia. We are moving on well, guys. I'm happy with your support. They look delicious. Very delicious. Okay. Here they have our bhajia. I hope you are ready to see. Continue the same process. Our bhajia is ready. Look at that. Thank you for watching Faye's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time with another delicious recipe.